Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with the engine warm so oil flows. That's why you run it a few minutes then shut off. Make sure you have a 14 mm socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, and jack stands. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and remove the oil filler cap to vent. Then lift the front with the jack and secure it on stands. Once stable, position the drain pan under the oil pan plug and get ready to loosen it. You loosen the 14 mm drain plug while keeping fingers clear of hot oil, then remove it and let the oil drain fully, usually 3 to 5 minutes. While it drains, check the drain plug gasket and prepare a replacement if it looks worn. Once flow slows, reinstall plug snugly but not over-torqued. Next, use the oil filter wrench to remove the old filter and inspect the mounting surface. Before installing the new filter, coat its rubber. You put the new filter on by hand until the seal contacts, then give it a 3/4 turn, don't over-tighten. Reinstall the drain plug to about 29 foot-pounds or snug by feel if you lack a torque wrench. Add roughly 2 liters of 5W30 through the filler, wait a moment, and check the dipstick. Once done, start the engine for 1 to 2 minutes, watch for leaks at the filter and plug, then shut off and recheck level. If you see a persistent leak, immediately retighten the filter and inspect the drain plug gasket.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.